It is a great asset to our community, and from your generosity in fundraising and your dad's memory to see this happen. But it's also a great education for people.
It's always super unfortunate that these moments happen after tragedy, but we want to assure you, Erin, that what you've done here is going to prevent a lot of other families from going through what you've just been through.
It feels great to have all this support and celebrating this important moment to honor my dad, and I'm really grateful for all the love, support, the kind messages that have been shared.
Sudden electrical arrhythmias can happen to anybody at any time, and time is absolutely everything. Without this donation that you made, if somebody collapsed here on the pickleball courts, we often just cannot get to the person in time.
Look for other locations within the town to see these AED machines be placed so that if there is an emergency that people can act quickly, and lives will be saved because of this.